Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday, where today I'll be showing you how to put film inside the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. Now this is the flagship model for the Instax line of cameras by Fujifilm, and it's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys how to put film into this camera. It is useful information for newer instant photographers that are getting into the Mini 90. So here we go. Now, as with instant photography in general, you're going to want to get film, and they come in cartridges. This is the Instax Mini film. They make a wide variety of film for all their different cameras. So they make the wide, they make the square, they make the mini, obviously. So this Instax Mini 90 takes the Instax Mini film. And they usually come in 2 packs. You can get them in 1 pack, but I buy 2 packs just because it saves money. So what you're gonna do is, on the back there is a little switch latch kind of thing, and you're gonna want to open it just like that. A lot of people open it and then set it aside to put the film in, but what I like doing is actually leaving it closed until I open the film pack, just so it doesn't get any dust inside the innards of the camera. So the film pack is going to look like this, and there's a pull tab. So what you're going to want to do is just open it like that. Be careful not to squeeze the front or the back of the film pack because it can ruin the chemicals. So just handle it on the side of the film pack. There are little markings like that on both sides where not to squeeze, because squeezing that can actually ruin the chemicals. Now, one thing to mention is, I don't know if you guys can see, there's this little black card on the front of this film pack to keep the light out. So on most instant cameras, when you put the film in, it actually, when you take your first picture, quote unquote, it will eject the black card, so that's not an actual picture. So you have to remember to do that. But the cool thing about the Instax Mini 90 that I want to show you is that when you open up the back, what you're gonna do is you're gonna line the yellow tab with the yellow tab, and you just slide it in, and when you close it, you're going to hear it, and it actually ejects the the black card by itself without you having to manually press the shutter button. So that is a perk of the Instax Mini 90. So you can just discard this, and when you turn on your camera, the back will show a 10 to show you how many exposures you have left, and you're ready to shoot. So there you go. That's how you put film into the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. And I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with what I could have done better, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.